All right, let's talk about how you can add leading zeros to numbers within Excel. So there are kind of two basic ways that you can do this, depending on if you already have the numbers or if you'll be adding the numbers yourself. So let's say that you don't have the numbers inputted yet and you want to add some leading zeros. If you were to type 00123 and hit enter, Excel's automatically going to format that and get rid of those zeros that you had entered. So what you need to do is select the cells that you'll be entering in the data or the entire column, right click, go down to format cells, go to number, and then select text and hit OK. So that way when you enter 00123 or 00891 or 0 whatever or 000012, it's going to keep those zeros for you. However, Excel is going to flag those with this little triangle in the top left corner. Basically, this is just saying that these aren't formatted the way Excel likes. So what you do is you select the cells that you entered that have the little triangle. You go up to this little triangle with the exclamation mark, select that, and then just hit ignore error, and that will remove that for you. So now let's say you want to add some leading zeros to numbers that you already have. What you do is you select the data that you have or the column, right click, go to format cells. Instead of going to text, we'll go down to custom this time. Select the 0 and then go up to this little box here, and then you can then type in as many zeros as you'd like. In this case, let's say we want 5 zeros. So that means that we want that to be 5 digits. If the number in there has less than 5 digits, it'll add a 0 until it gets to 5. So then we'll go ahead and hit OK. And you can see that here, our data, all those zeros were added. And you'll notice that this number at the bottom wasn't given a 0 because it already has 5 digits. So if we were to format this again to custom and we were to add another 0 and hit OK, then a 0 would be added to that number. And there you have it. That's how you can add zeros in front of numbers in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe before you go. Thank you, and just have a great rest of your day.